This video will demonstrate how to connect your Walmart store with 4Seller. Please note that the following information. 1. Only support connecting Walmart stores in the U.S. market. 2. Only marketplace sellers can be connected to 4Seller. 3. Support syncing published products from Walmart to 4Seller and use 4Seller to centralize order management and sync inventory levels. Step 1. Get Walmart Client ID and Secret. Open the Walmart Developer Portal page link and select the U.S. Marketplace from the pop-up page. You could directly tap on the link I have already put in the video description page. On the API Keys page, select Production Keys and click Reset. Then copy the newly generated Client ID and Client Secret. Step 2. Authorize Walmart Store to 4Seller. Go to 4Seller Settings, Shop Manage, tap the Walmart icon. Enter the custom shop name, paste Walmart Client ID and Secret, and click the Connect button. Then your Walmart account have been connected to 4Seller successfully. Now you can use 4Seller to sync products, process orders, and sync inventory levels. That concludes our introduction on how to connect your Walmart store with 4Seller. Send us a 5-star review screenshot from Shopify, TikTok, or Google, and we'll increase the number of AI-generated free trials time. Direct message our support team to claim. There are more details and examples available within 4Seller Online Help Center. If this resonates, leave a comment and feel free to follow for more useful and latest sharing. See you in the next video.